Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. And today's episode, we have a box from Z1 Motorsport. So these are the little cool little decals they throw in with your order. You're placing an order from Z1. So I got some oil filters through them, spark plugs, oil pan, bolt for an oil change for the 33 finally. Hopefully everything goes well, nothing breaks, fingers crossed, right? So yeah, let's just get this shit started. Alright boys, we are now in the garage, and if you have a low profile vehicle, you know the drill. Yes sir. I like to jack it up from here. I don't know about you guys, but I jack it up from this point.
Oh shit! I fucking broke it.
I'm so tired. Finally got that shit, man. There's the oil. Oh fuck. Fucking little piece of shit. Alright, this is the new oil pan drain bolt and the crush washer. Let me just put it in this shit. That's what it looks like now. Cleaned up with a new bolt in the washer. Crush washer. Alright, next, let's get the oil filter out. God knows how long this filter's been there. Is it gonna be easy or hard? I'm gonna put a rag under the filter before I take it out and make a mess.
Alright, so I've been trying to take out this damn filter. It's been stuck. I'm pretty sure this filter hasn't been removed in years. It just has the bolt on the oil pan. So I already used a strap, and I'm gonna end up having to use two other wrenches. This one and this one. Let's see which one works. It's always the fucking little things like this that take forever. It's like, it's just grabbing it and spinning it, you know? But if it was too easy, if it was this easy, wouldn't be fun, right?
Alright, got it off. Wasn't easy, but got it off. That's all that matters. Well, okay. Still only got the job done.
All right, so now we're gonna need an oil filter to put in the engine. This has to be one of the coolest boxes. Shout out Z1. And we just got regular OEM Nissan oil filter. Blue. I'll make sure I bring this one with me so I can put the old filter in here when I dispose of it. Let's put this puppy in. So one thing I almost forgot was make sure you put oil around this gasket right here before you put it in. So one super cool feature of these Orbeez are these caps. They're ratcheting, so let you know when they're tight. 1, 2, 3. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're now finished with the oil change for the R33. I'd like to thank you guys for joining me on the channel. Until next one, peace.